Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. macOS Mojave is out, and in this video let's talk about the top 5 features of macOS Mojave. This update brings new aesthetic elements like dark mode, dynamic desktop to your Mac experience. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. Dark mode is the flagship feature of this year's macOS update. You can switch to dark mode by going to System Preferences, General, and right at the top you can see Appearance where you can switch to dark mode. The benefit of having dark mode goes beyond aesthetics. It really helps your eyes while working in dimly lit environment. All of the default apps like Finder, Safari, Notes are influenced by the dark mode. Once you have switched to dark mode, everything is completely dark, but I wish Apple could have provided some control to end users so that we can choose the apps which we prefer to use in dark mode. The next feature is Dynamic Desktop, which automatically switches the wallpaper of your system based on time and location. To do so, go to System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver and choose Dynamic Desktop. Apple have included two dynamic wallpapers, Mojave Desert and Solar Gradient. I will choose the Mojave Desert Dynamic Desktop, and during day you can see the daylight picture of Mojave Desert, and during night you will see the night picture of Mojave Desert. So that's how Dynamic Desktop changes through time. I think it's pretty cool addition to macOS. Do you guys think so? Share your thoughts on the polls. Being a YouTuber, I edit lots of videos, and having a 128GB storage on Mac is really painful. I have to constantly copy my files to and fro from my Mac to hard disk, so my desktop always looks cluttered. Thankfully in Mojave, Apple introduced a new feature called Stack. Stack is an organizational feature designed exclusively for desktop. You can clean your cluttered desktop with just a couple of clicks, and Stack will automatically organize all your files based on their kind. To do so, right click and select the Use Stack option, and Stack will organize the files. You have options to organize your files by kind, date added, tags and much more. Stack is the best handy feature for people like me. Finder in macOS Mojave gets several new improvements, including the gallery view. The gallery view provides big preview of what you are looking at, and it works best for group of images. You also have the complete metadata about the file at the right pane of the Finder. One more powerful addition to Finder is Quick Action. This handy feature allows to take action on files from Finder itself. For instance, you can rotate the image, mark up images and much more. You can now also quick look the file by pressing the spacebar. In quick look, you have access to all markup tools so that you can update like rotate the file, undo other options and save the file. Finder has become more powerful with Mojave update. Last but not the least, another solid addition to macOS Mojave is the Screenshot utility function. Press Command Shift and 5 to invoke the Screenshot utility. You have options to take screenshot by capturing the entire screen, select a window or select a portion of the screen. The Screenshot utility also has an integrated screen record function. The entire video you are seeing right now is recorded using the inbuilt screen recorder function. To capture screenshot, choose among the three options and click the capture button. It is very easy to take screenshots and record screen with Mojave update. So these are my top features of the macOS Mojave update. Apple also have redesigned the App Store completely with macOS Mojave and have introduced 3 new apps, Stocks, Home and Voice Memo, which personally I don't use. Which is your favorite macOS Mojave feature? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.